Hi guys, this is Gaurang and today is day 7 of 100 days of Python question practice. Here's our question: print string number. How would you print the string stored in a string variable named number? Okay, num is a variable, so we will print this. Okay, let's go. How can you print the result of 6 divided by 2? Okay, identify the incorrect syntax. Okay, I think. Oh, 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 I think this is the incorrect syntax. Okay, print 108 using 9 and 12. What's 9 into 12? 108. So we will print 9 into 12, and here's the answer: 108. Okay, it's easy, I think. Print learn CodeChef. Print learn coding on CodeChef. Okay, submit. Okay, let's go. Let's go on the last question. Okay, we need to write the right angle triangle. So we will start with a loop for I in range. We will put 4 here. Print this, I think, into I. Okay, I is equals to 0, I think. We put like this. Let's see. No, it will go like this. So what we'll do, put 1 to 5. No, 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 no. I made it wrong. Sorry. We have to print here I. Now let's see what happens. It's still incorrect. We'll have to make this 6. That will be fine, I think. Okay, so our module is completed. Thank you for watching this. Goodbye.